AutoWriter Basic Configuration. We recommend that if you're about to start using bolt-on technology software, that you go back to the beginning of setting up your AutoWriter and check and see that it's done correctly. So you go to this configuration tab right here and tap on that, and it's going to open the configuration window. And from this window, you're going to go again to configuration, and you're going to come down to parts, and you're going to go over to categories. Categories could be considered boxes or files. So for example, here's my alignment category. Every time I do an alignment in the shop or something related to alignment that goes to this category, it's going to go into this file. And at the end of the month, if I want to find out where my money came from, I can run a report that tells me how many alignments and how many things in that file have done the right job. They've given me money. The other thing that a lot of shops wind up doing, and this is not so nice, is that they go in there and they create a miscellaneous file. And a miscellaneous file is not good because they dump everything in there that they might possibly have, and what that does is causes all sorts of issues. You can run a report, but you can get your cash and money in, but you have no idea where it came from. So our recommendation is that whenever you have something like that, is that you take it and clean it out. In Report Pro, you will find under Tools the Category tool, which will help you clean these up. And ultimately what you want to do once you clean them up is you want to go back to your main categories list and delete whatever ones don't belong, and add which ones are going to make it better for you. Once you're done in categories, you want to go next back to configuration, back to labor, back to operations. And note, the first thing that it asks you is your category. Why? Because we want to be sure that any jobs that we do can report back to that file, and again for easier reports and finding out where things are going. Once you choose your category, go here, and now these are the jobs. And what these are is built jobs, ones that you automatically are going to use on a regular basis, and it causes writing up tickets and things of that sort to go a lot faster. Yes, there's a little bit of work done up front, but once you set up this work and you do it, you can build and add as many jobs as you want. And what's nice is as you go through the system and you build the ones that work, you're going to find that they're going to get faster and faster and faster while you're using it. So once you have all these things taken care of, and you go back and do a repair order, it does a couple of things for you. Number one, when you're building a repair, you can go right up to this labor field here, and you can go again to the categories, go to alignment, find the alignment job that you want right here, check vehicle wonders, hit OK, and that's now in a repair order. But that's not where it ends. As we're using your software and our software together, and you're making recommendations, we also use those pre-canned jobs to build up here. So as the technicians are doing inspections, if you have the CAN job set up and configure it properly, it will dump these things right into recommendations so that you can easily keep track of the recommendations and upsell the customer when necessary. We suggest that you take your time, take a look at the categories and look at the jobs that you have built, and try to make them right before you use the software, because it will make the software work much better.